Alright, today we're going to talk about dilations. A dilation is an enlargement or a reduction of a figure with respect to a fixed point called the center of dilation. So a dilation is an example of a non-rigid motion. Non-rigid motion, that's because the figures aren't necessarily congruent afterwards, okay? So dilation produces what we call similar figures, okay? All corresponding angles are congruent and all corresponding sides are proportional. So with this, a dilation is something called a scale factor. The scale factor indicates how much the figure will enlarge or reduce. So we call that scale factor K. So when K is greater than 1, it's an enlargement. And when K is less than 1, it's a reduction. Okay? Anytime we're going to do a dilation, all we do is we multiply the scale factor by the values. So let's say we have some xy. All we're going to do is multiply k by x and y. All right? First, find the scale factor of these dilations. Tell whether the scale factor or the dilation is a reduction or enlargement. So to find scale factor, we do our image size over our pre-image. Okay? So remember, image is the prime one, and the pre-image is the one without the prime. So all we're going to do is the image size. So the image size here is 12 over our pre-image, which is 8. So we have to reduce this. 12 divided by 8. Let's divide the top and the bottom by 4. And we get 3 over 2. So that's 1.5. So K equals 1.5. And this is an enlargement because it's greater than 1. Okay? So let's do the next one. We're going to do image over pre-image. Well, my image is 18 while my pre-image is 30. We can reduce this. Let's divide by 2. We get 9 over 15. That divides again by 3. And so we get 3 over 5. So K here is 3/5, which is less than 1. So therefore this is a reduction. All right? Okay, you need to be able to graph these as well. They're not very hard to graph. So, graph and label each figure, and it's under the given dilation. So this is a triangle, -5, 1, -3, 4, and 2, -1, and K is 2. So let's graph it, -5, 1, -3, 4, and 2, -1. Okay, so there's my image. I should have done it in different color, but I'll do the next one. So the next one, we multiply everything by 2. So R prime is 10, 2. S prime is -6, 8. And T prime is 4, -2. So let's do that. So -10, 2, -6, 8, and 4, -2. And so it just got twice as large, and there it is. All right. All right, so that's simple enough. Let's do another one. So this time we have a rhombus. So we're going to graph it, -10, 2, -2, 8, 6, 2, and -2, -4. So there's my rhombus. And then we're going to shrink it by half. So we just divide everything by 2. So this one would be -5, 1. This one's going to be -1, 4, 3, 1, and -1, -2. So -5, 1, -1, 4, 3, 1, and -1, -2. And that's it.